While local people they take the python snake to relief at the temple site. Okay. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Om Namah Shivaya. Good luck to you. You are free now. You can go everywhere, whatever you want. Đặt đi hai bông, đang ngay, đặt bông cái bao về tụi nó. Wow, he take it to the top because he afraid someone take it away. He's still scared. Tao cho bông về bông lá người đã. Lá người. Anh tích cho vi châu lại bông. Yeah. Now they go into the temple site. Okay, good luck, man. Bye bye. See you next time. I think that when we come back, you will bigger than this. Thì ở châu lệ bọn, nấu cái lạnh này các bạn đây bọn. Wow, with nice carving at the temple site here. Gala. Bong chắp về ban pi dục mình nắng à. So this man he caught the python in his right field, and then he take it to relief at the temple site. So you will have good luck, man, because you save the life of the people, or the other is a Bonte Batsai Temple or the Bonte Srai Temple. We have a good luck. We met a good man. He relieved the python in the temple site today.